Portrait is a genre of painting that most often requires realism. You can paint a realistic portrait with just 12 colors. With ArtistAssistApp, it's easy. Open ArtistAssistApp.com in your web browser and press the Start Now button. Let's say we have these colors: titanium white, dark yellow, reddish orange, vermilion red, Bordeaux red, sapphire blue, Prussian blue, dark green, reddish brown, natural sienna, platine gray, Schwartz. Import a reference portrait photo. See your portrait photo with the grid over it. Then, draw that grid on your paper, and it will help you get your correct proportions. If you don't want to draw at all, you can get an outline of your photo, print it out, and trace it on paper. Study tonal values to learn how to create contrast and depth in your portraits. Balancing tonal values is as important as accurate color mixing. Smooth your portrait photo to reduce detail and focus on the big shapes and proportions. If you like to paint more impressionistically, you've to simplify the reference photo. No more squinting your eyes to blur your reference. Just click or tap anywhere on the portrait photo, and the app will show you the color in the photo and how to mix it with your paints. Save instructions for mixing your favorite colors so you can quickly access them using the palette tool. There is a separate palette for each reference photo. In color swatch mode, all the colors in the palette are stacked on top of each other and displayed next to the photo. Try ArtistAssistApp now to improve your painting and drawing skills and create stunning artworks. Learn more at ArtistAssistApp.com.